Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, Carter, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you. Carter, he's kind of cool. What he's doing, it's a nifty way of getting visibility and it's a good way of getting eyeballs on the project that they have, and in this case, it's Silk. So, Carter, this it's personal video, bro, to you. I can't sum everything up in a single. It had 280 characters, man. Sometimes I have to babble on and to try to get my point. So this is for you, Carter. All right, specifically, I want the $100 worth of Silk, and I'll give it away on the stream, bro. So don't worry about it. We'll break it up, give a couple of people $50 if I win. So you asked very, very specifically in there, why aren't people utilizing Silk? And as somebody who's been in the trenches out here investing in cryptocurrencies for a long time, and particularly been in the trenches as far as information, education, all that other good stuff. We have a little YouTube channel. It simply comes down to, in my opinion, simplification. Silk is complex. I know we try to break it down to its very easiest, simplest narrative, but with everything around there, man, there's always going to be questions, comments, concerns, risk that are going to come along with Silk. And it's a very, very barren landscape right now. Not stable coins. There's tons of stable coins, but it's very, very barren landscape as far as users and people and the ability to onboard them. So if you want people using Silk, simplify everything. It's got to be really, really simple. The attention span of the majority of crypto investors out here, and I'm guessing that you're going for bulk and volume on this. The attention span is very, 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 very narrow. The people who are in the know around Silk already have it, or they don't. And that's it. You're not really going to change their mind on too many of these because they understand crypto, or at least are familiar enough with it to understand the product, what you're offering, how it works, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So it's going to be real hard to come back and capture these people from behind because it's the space is jaded. It's been too many rugs, too many explosions, too much bad news, too much Bitcoin dominance, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So you're simply going to have to simplify the message. And what I mean by that is, this is what Silk is. This is how it earns revenue. This is the risk profile of it. And this is what you can do with it. Literally, that's it. If you look at the successful people out here in the YouTube sphere, it ain't me, man, but I do pay attention to everybody else. They keep it simple. They keep the message incredibly simple, very, very pointed. Now, for your token go up guys, it's great because they can never, ever be wrong. They were 100% correct, but the token died anyway, and it wasn't them. The market just got it wrong. You're not in that. You're not in that camp. You have to be absolutely right about this, about everything that you're having to do with it. You are going to have to be 100% correct, and you're going to have to lay it out very, very simply. That is videos. Those are very, very short posts. Stake Silk, earn this. LP Silk, earn this. And it has to be very, very specific for you to get go out there and get it. Now, you're going to have to get outside of the cosmos, man. There's no money here left, dude. Everyone, it's a liquidity desert. I know you know. What we were going to do, we already did. So going forward, it's not really going to, we're not going to attract any new retail. So you're going to have to go where the liquidity is, and that is where you're going to have to push your message, man. It sucks. It's a lot of work. There's a reason that not a lot of people will pick up the mantle for things like this, because it's an awful lot of work with very little reward for the people that are exposing themselves. That's like me, Joe, everybody else who talked up Cosmos over here. So that's it, brother. I mean, keep it simple, make the message easy, make a couple videos, illustrate it simply. This is what you do, this is how you get it, and this is how I earn with it. You're gonna have to keep it very, very basic and push it where people are and where liquidity lives. That's kind of going to be the issue with it. So anyway, man, yeah, I wanted to I wanted to fancify this up, man. I couldn't get my point with a single message, and I do understand what you're doing with Silk. I do hold Silk. I do get some passive income on that. But yeah, that's it. So anyway, questions or comments? And by the way, Carter, hope you like the new digs. We did it up, and we're full screen, and it's all self-funded. Questions, comments, ScottThePodcast.com. You can DM me on Twitter. You guys know what's going on here. So anyway, until next time, please stay safe and please be smart with your money. Cheers.